Welcome to Chapter 5, Measurement of Length and Motion. Today we'll join Deepa as she needs a new uniform and discovers how we measure things accurately, and learn about different types of motion. People have used different methods to measure length throughout history. Grandmothers measured cloth by arm length, farmers used strides in their fields, and we can use our handspans too. When Deepa and her friends measured their table using handspans, they got different results. This happens because everyone's handspan is different, showing why we need standard units of measurement. India has a rich history of measurement with units like angula, finger width, dhanusa, bow length, and yojana for long distances. Ancient Harappan scales with ruled markings have been found in archaeological sites. To solve the problem of different measurements, countries adopted the International System of Units (SI units). The meter is the standard unit for length that everyone uses worldwide. We use different units for different measurements. Millimeters for very small things like page thickness, centimeters for objects like erasers, meters for room height, and kilometers for distances between cities. To measure accurately, we need to place the scale correctly in contact with the object, position our eye directly above the tip to avoid errors, and know how to use broken scales by subtracting readings. Let's do a measurement activity. Take a meter scale and measure objects around you like cones, pens, and pencils. Remember to always write both the number and the unit in your measurements. Measuring curved lines like arches for string lights requires a special method. We use thread to follow the curve, then straighten and measure the thread to find the length. To describe position clearly, we need a reference point, a fixed object we measure from. Without it, everyone might have different opinions about distances, like Deepa and her friends did. Kilometer stones along roads are perfect examples of reference points. They show distance from a specific place, like Delhi, and help travelers know how far they've come and how much further to go. An object is in motion if its position changes with time relative to a reference point. If the position doesn't change, the object is at rest. Remember, motion depends on your reference point. There are three main types of motion: linear motion along straight lines, circular motion along circular paths, and oscillatory motion that moves to and fro about a fixed position. Some motions are periodic, meaning they repeat their path after fixed time intervals. Both circular and oscillatory motions are periodic, making patterns we can predict and study. Undefined.